My best vacation ever. My name is Lady Viviana Mejia and this is the level 7. City of Cartagena. Hello everyone. I'm going to tell you about the most memorable vacation I've ever had. This, these vacations happened in July 2024 during my summer break. I visited the beautiful city of Cartagena in Colombia. The trip started by plane. I traveled there by plane, and the flight was very comfortable and fast. I went with my family, my parents, my siblings, and I. We were all very excited to spend some time together in such a special place. Activities. We walked we walked around the old city, visited Cas- visited the Castillo San Felipe, and took a boat trip to the Rosario Island. The beaches were the beaches were beautiful and the water was crystal clear. We also ate delicious local food like seafood, arepas and coconut rice. One day we even danced with a local music group in the street. Those days in Cartagena were full of joy, adventure and love. What made these vacations so memorable for me was the time I shared with my family. We laughed we laughed a lot, we learned about the history of the city, and we disconnected from our daily routines. When I used to go on vacation, I usually stayed at home or visited nearby towns, but this time was different because we went far away and everything felt new and exciting. These vacations give me wonderful memories that that I will never forget.